Ultra Wine Racks Floor-to-Ceiling Installation. Step 1. Choose your mount type, wall, angled, or ceiling mount. Step 2. Assemble the FTC frame. Step 3. Mark locations for the frame mount pilot holes. Step 4. Select mounting hardware appropriate for your installation surface. Step 5. Drill pilot holes at the marked locations. Step 6. Measure your ceiling height. Step 7. Make the necessary frame height calculations for your installation. Step 8. Mark the cut line on the frame. Step 9. Cut the frame to the required length. Step 10. Assemble the full FTC frame using the provided couplers. Step 11. Mount the backer channels. Step 12. Secure the frame to both the ceiling and floor. Step 13. Install and secure the rails, inserts, caps, and dome caps. Step 14. Add wine bottles and enjoy your completed Ultra Wine Racks floor-to-ceiling system.
Store wine right. Wine Cellar HQ.